Hello. My name is Hillary, and I'm here today to talk about HerSolution, the absolute truth. HerSolution is a natural supplement for female libido. Is 100% doctor approved, with no known side effects. Many women claim to feel the benefits of HerSolution within 7 days after the beginning of supplementation. It helps to naturally correct the many stress-induced hormonal, nutritional imbalances that may be robbing you of the desire for sexual intimacy. Product approved by doctors and specialists in the subject. Save time and money with a low-cost, homemade treatment. With highly effective ingredients. About the warning I made at the beginning of the video, several people are selling the counterfeit product, which makes it not have the expected results. Only on the official website the purchase is safe and with guarantees. I'll leave in the description link to the official website with a nice surprise. And buying today will have some special bonuses. One of them is the gel HerSolution, in addition to free shipping and a special discount. And rest assured, because if after buying, if you don't like it, you can ask for a full refund of the amount paid within 67 days. If any questions remain, the official website has a support 24 hours a day, where you can contact to receive help. I hope you can also get results like me, which helped me to regain my self-esteem in a quick, accessible, and painless way.